Hello again. In this lesson, we'll continue our use of auxiliary verbs, or modal verbs. May and might are the two verbs, and we'll also look at the adverb maybe. Notice that maybe is one word. Listen to these three short sentences. The children may go to the movie tomorrow. Rebecca might work in a bank. Maybe the mail carrier will deliver the letter today. Listen once more. The children may go to the movie tomorrow. May is the modal or helping verb. May go to the movie. Rebecca might work in a bank. Might is also a modal. Might work. Maybe the mail carrier will deliver the letter today. And maybe, single word adverb at the beginning of a sentence. Okay. Now, this diagram explains the use of these words. In English, we use these three words to express possibility. These words can also involve the idea of future time. So look at may. Louis may go to the soccer game later or tomorrow, right? It may snow next month. The children may be in class tomorrow. The children may be in class now, today. May plus the verb can be used for both present and future. Take a look at might. Louis might go to the soccer game tomorrow. It might snow next month. The children might be in class tomorrow. The children might be in class now. Might plus verb also for both present and future. Now look at maybe. Maybe Louis will go to the soccer game tomorrow. Maybe the children will be in class tomorrow. Maybe it will snow next month. Maybe it is going to snow next month. Maybe it will snow next month. Maybe it will verb. Maybe it going to plus verb. Maybe it is going to snow next month. It's important to distinguish between the auxiliary verb phrase may and the verb be and the single word adverb maybe. In normal speech, the adverb maybe is pronounced without a pause. The verb phrase may be contains a slight pause. So maybe it will snow tomorrow, no pause, right? And it may be a snowy day tomorrow. Okay. These words are commonly used in everyday English conversation. Now look at the questions. What will Louis do in the morning? What is Rebecca going to do next week? What are you going to do Sunday? What will they do if it rains Saturday? Two things are important about these simple questions. They use both future tense forms, will and going to, and they can all be answered with these three favorite expressions of ours using may, might, and the adverb maybe. So, what will Louis do in the morning? Answer, he may play soccer. What is Rebecca going to do next week? She might dine at a restaurant. What are you going to do Sunday? Maybe I'll stay home. And what will they do if it rains Saturday? They might bring the picnic indoors. Indoors means inside the house, right? Okay? All right, let's try practice. This practice is really very simple. I'll ask a question and give you information for the answer. You answer it, but use may or might or the adverb maybe at the beginning. Okay? For example, what are you going to do tomorrow? Dine at a restaurant. I might dine at a restaurant, or I may dine at a restaurant. How about this? What is Louis going to do next week? Go to Chile. Maybe he's going to go to Chile next week. Okay, let's try it. What are you going to do tomorrow? I may dine at a restaurant. Perfect. What is Louis going to do next week? Maybe he's going to go to Chile. Okay. What are they going to do tonight? They might play the piano, or they may play the piano. Right. What will you do at the office? I may exchange some traveler's checks. Or maybe I'll exchange some traveler's checks. What are we going to do if it rains? Yes, maybe we'll evacuate the area. What will the mail carrier do? He might carry a raincoat. What are they going to do Sunday? Maybe they'll drive to Boston. That's great. All right, let's do an exercise. In this writing exercise, you'll have a chance to write sentences using our favorite expressions. For this exercise, however, limit your sentences so that you use future time expressions, like tomorrow, next week, tonight, this afternoon. So use may, use might, and use maybe with will or going to. You'll see dine at Alfredo's, and you'll write, I may dine at Alfredo's next week. You'll see take a driving examination or test, right? You'll write, maybe Louis is going to take a driving examination next month. Okay? Good. Pause your program, look at your study guide, and complete the exercise. Then return here. Let's review this exercise with may, might, and maybe. You saw the information dine at Alfredo's, and you used the modals or the adverb maybe to construct the sentence. So, I may dine at Alfredo's next week, you wrote, or I might dine at Alfredo's next week. Next one, maybe Louis is going to take a driving examination next month. We might open a savings account tomorrow. She may deliver the mail this afternoon. They might exchange some money tomorrow. Maybe we'll order a drink at the bar tonight. We might have an appetizer with our cocktails tonight. They may go to the no smoking section this afternoon. Maybe Hideo and Yukiko will get married next month. We might do exercise 25 correctly next week. Very good.